Parents have been on high alert after a man raped an 11-year-old girl in Highland Park on December 10th. The victim was on her way to school when it happened. Now we're learning about another stranger danger alert from Detroit Public Schools. The district says the latest incident is unrelated, but they're still warning parents to be on high alert. 7 Action News reporter Julie Bonovich is in Detroit tonight with more for us.
An excited 8-year-old Anijah Martin shows off her Christmas gifts. The Detroit Public Schools student happy to be off school for holiday break. But when she goes back to classes at Carver Academy, her parents are making sure they walk with her every day, especially after this unnerving letter came home.
I was really panicked over it. I was really scared.
Jamie Sneed says the letter came home with her daughter from school before break, alerting them that a strange man driving a green SUV approached a student from her school in a threatening way as the girl was walking to school.
He was coming up trying to approach her, and she had left and ran up in the school and told the principal.
It was like 8 o'clock in the morning.
So far, this seems to be the first incident at the school or in the neighborhood involving the stranger. The school's letter also lets parents know that crime-related incidents on campuses across the Detroit Public Schools district is down 24.7% compared to last year.
I just want the school, the neighbors, and all that to watch out.
Detroit Public Schools police have added more patrols around the area to make sure that kids like Anijah stay safe. From Detroit, Julie Bonovich, 7 Action News.